To install a door and a jamb, we're going to start the router, bring it forward into the door, and then raise the jamb up until it touches the reference bar at the back. Measure the distance the mortise is cut into the jamb. Should be 1 1/8 inches, just like the door. And here we have approximately 1 3/16 inches, so we need to make that come out another 1/16 of an inch. So this bolt contacts the stop, and that controls how far back into the jamb it goes. There it is, 1 1/8 inches. Previously, when we set the distance of the mortise from the edge of the jamb to the back of the mortise, we had a door stop, and we have a bolt that hits against the door stop to control how far back the mortise goes. When we have no stop, that doesn't work. So we have a flat jamb attachment that sets on the side of the butt router. Flat jamb attachment fits over these two bolts, sets down in front of this tab. Now when I set the router down, clamp it, this tab comes against the front of the jamb, and this bolt comes against that bolt, allowing us to adjust the distance that it goes into the jamb. We can also use this bolt up here to adjust how far it comes into the door. The mortise doesn't go far enough into the jamb, so I'm screwing the bolt out a little bit so that the router can travel further. I will make an adjustment that's approximately right, check it again, and keep checking it and making adjustments until I get what I want. And here we have our hinge mortise.